Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. So we were in surface area.
Your voice is a bit low.
Yeah, 1 second. Just a minute. Be line. Now, can you all hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So many of you are joining late actually. Please be on time, I said. Okay. We were in surface areas and volume size. We were we have done with cuboid and a right circular cylinder, and we started solving basic questions of that as well. I posted a worksheet based upon that. Everyone, please try solving those questions. Like eventually, partially you solve it. I'm not asking anybody to solve at a time, at a stretch. Need not to solve all that and submit to me. All you need to do is solve partially every day, like 5 6 problems or 7 problems, whatever you feel so, but minimum 5 should be solved. Okay, minimum 5 problems should be solved so that you can finish probably like within 5 to 6 days of time. And yes, in between meanwhile, if you get any doubts, so you can just come up with those doubts. Okay, all right, getting my point? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I shared a worksheet. So some see yesterday we have so far we have done with cuboid, right, circular cylinder, which means the concept whichever we have done in the class, related sums from the worksheet, you pick it out, pick those sums, choose those sums, just solve it. Okay. Yes, just a minute, 1 second. Let me. Okay, chalo. So can you all see the screen here? Everyone only, guys, many of you are joining late actually. Please make sure that everyone is on, everyone is joining on time. Okay, let us write with a white color page. Chalo. Cuboid done. Cylinder, right circular cylinder also done. Okay. Covered surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, and we have seen the proof of that. Total surface area of the particular right circular cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, or 2 pi R into H plus R. We can write like that. Now we'll talk about right circular cone. Right circular cone. ठीक है, right circular cone. First, we'll talk about what is a right circular cone. See, right circular cone is a circular cone whose axis is perpendicular to its whose axis is perpendicular to its base. What is the symbol? This is a perpendicular symbol. Whose axis is perpendicular to its base. देखो आपको कोन आइसक्रीम तो खाया होगा ना आप लोग. Everyone might have
Yes, sir.
had cone,
Yes.
right? Cone ice cream. Let me just look at this. This is a cone actually. ठीक है, थोड़ा इसको एक्सटेंड करते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, look at this. And first we'll talk about, before getting into that, actually we'll talk about relation. Okay, relation between the slant height and height of the right circular cone. Relation between slant height. See here, basically what is this? It is a circle. Downside will be circle, so which is the radius r. This is my what height here. ठीक है, this is my height, and this is what is this? थोड़ा ऐसा स्लीपर है, थोड़ा डिक्लाइन जैसा है ना, थोड़ा नीचे उतार जैसा है ना, इसको क्या बोलता है? स्लैंट हाइट. लेट अस टेक दिस एज L. ओके, लेट अस कंसीडर दिस एज स्लैंट हाइट. एवरीवन लिसन टू मी केयरफुली हियर. We'll talk about relation between slant height and height of right circular cone. ठीक है, first we'll talk about relation between slant height and right circular cone. What is the relation between this H and L here? That is what I'm talking about here. ठीक है.
They are Pythagorean triplets.
Sorry.
Sir, L square is equal to H square
Very
plus
good. That's very simple. Look at this here. How it is looking like. Very good. You can simply say that. What is the relation between? देखो, it is looking like a triangle there. You can apply Pythagoras theorem. So relationship between the slant height and height of the circular cone क्या होता है? Hypotenuse square is equal to by Pythagoras theorem. I would say that L square, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. ठीक है, this is the relation. This also can be written as what? Or this can be written as what? L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. Very simple. ठीक है, ठीक है, understood? Yes. Now we'll talk about curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. देखो, देखो हमने क्या करेंगे इसको.
Sir, how does Pythagoras theorem give you surface area?
Sorry.
Sir, we use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length.
Slant height, that is not length, slant height. Yeah, indirectly length.
So after finding the slant height and we find the area of the circle, we have to multiply.
No. Let us talk about that. Just a minute. Let me give, let me teach. Then after that, you will understand. If you don't understand still, then you ask. No problem. That is what we have. Curved surface area of the right circle. And how curved surface area of the cylinder, how did we find? In a similar way, we'll be doing here. Let's see how can we find out. See here, ठीक है, क्या करेंगे इसको, ऐसा है ना, थोड़ा इसको ऐसा आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो क्या करेंगे, इसको थोड़ा ऐसे एक कोण ले लेंगे. ठीक है, ठीक है. डायग्राम शुड बी प्रॉपर यार, मुझे डायग्राम डालना नहीं आता है. देखो ये कोण हो गया. ठीक है, curved surface area of cone. ठीक है, तो guys look at this here. ऐसा बीच में से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, काट देंगे ऐसे. ठीक है, इसको if you just cut this down from the middle, क्या what will happen? Imagine you have a cone. If you're cutting in between, what happens? If a perpendicular cut, there's a perpendicular cut actually. ठीक है, perpendicular cut, it is made from the point. देखो इधर एक point ले लो, इधर एक point ले लो, कुछ भी point ले लो, cut कर दो उसको perpendicular line से, क्या हो जाएगा? Boys and girls, everyone, are you able to understand? Yes, circle, guys. This is a circle, right?
Yes, sir.
On the
Yes,
circle,
sir.
I'm just making 2 points here and here. ठीक है? I'm making 2 points which are, let's say, कुछ भी ले लो, A and B points. Okay? हाँ. If a perpendicular cut is made from a point on the circumference of base, ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Base to the vertex. क्या हो जाएगा? कट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? कोन ओपन हो जाएगा. Imagine if you cut the cone, what happens? क्या बन जाएगा वो?
Then like a piece of it would break.
So semicircle?
Semicircle कैसा बनेगा बेटा? No, it won't happen. Semicircle एटला होता है तो काद. Imagine just the cone को, we are cutting a cone. So what kind of shape you would get? Wouldn't you
Like
get a
triangle?
triangle? नहीं
Yeah,
है.
circle, sir.
No, wouldn't you get a shape called like this? Something in the, like, you know, something called sector.
Yeah, almost circle like.
Yes, but not exact circle. ऐसा बनेगा, ठीक?
Yes, sir.
This is what the shape you get.
Yes, Pac-Man
Can
shape.
you open that? Yeah. हाँ. Someone is joined. Modita is joined.
Sir, from which point of view are you telling?
No, if you cut this, దీన్ని కట్ చేస్తే, దీన్ని కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత దీన్ని ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఈ షేప్ వస్తుంది. You just try with the paper at home, you will understand it. Okay, see, you take a cone beta, ये cone ले लो, just tear it. Just take a paper, just mark, you know, any 2 points on that, just cut it out with a scissor. If you cut it with a scissors, so what, just you would get that shape exactly. Okay, you just try at home. Okay, that is not required here, but you know, just understanding. Okay, ठीक है, आया समझ? So I'm just talking about this.
और मैं शेयर कर दूंगा.
ठीक है, हाँ. When you open up the sector of a circle with a radius, वो क्या हो जाएगा? R. When you open this, इसको diagram देखो. If you open this, what happens? This will be converting as this type of shape. This is center, क्या हो जाएगा? R. O. This is radius R. This is 2 points here. Let I took A and B points. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. What will be the curved surface area of the cone? Tell me, बताइए, जल्दी से बताइए. अभी think. What will be that curved surface area? How can we judge? Just imagine. Just take your time. Tell me, how can we just do that?
The curved surface area is where we ignore the top and bottom part, right?
Sorry.
So curved surface area is where we ignore the top and bottom part, right?
Sir, can it be root
is
h square plus r square
That is
into
one
2
second.
pi
That is
r?
lateral surface area, Sujay. Sorry. Yes. Someone is talking.
Yes. So can the CSA be root h square plus r square into 2 pi r, sir?
Any other?
So can it be like 2 pi RH plus
How?
pi r square?
Yes. Everyone's saying a formula, but मुझे बताइए तो थोड़ा. How can we do that?
So can it be pi r by 2 square plus what something else?
So like half pi r
semicircle
square
and
plus
then
pi r
the
square.
Take the semicircle and then the remaining part we have to do.
Yes. देखो, first let us say that. Let me draw the diagram, somewhat big diagram. देखो, this is a circle. This is a bottom part, which is a radius. ठीक है? What is the area of the circle? A is equal to pi r square. ठीक है? We take a triangle. ठीक है, this is slanted, this is h. What is this? If you talk about radius, ठीक है, it's a perpendicular distance. हाँ, so this is, we have just found slant height of that. Guys, if you don't understand, आपने क्या कीजिए, पेपर ले लीजिए, पेपर लेके आपने क्या करिए, ठीक है, need to find curved surface area. ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये डाउन साइड, guys I'm not drawing here, ये डाउन साइड है, देखो
The curved surface area is like lateral surface area, right?
lateral surface area, that is, just we can avoid the top and bottom here. I'm
Yeah,
talking
that's
curved
the
surface.
same.
Look at this here, this is that. हाँ, as like as. हाँ,
It's the same as curved surface area, right?
हाँ,
It
curved
is
surface. Yes, देखो इसको देखो, मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, हाँ देखो, एवरीवन गाइस, दिस इज माय कोन, ठीक है, कोन जैसा नहीं दिख रहा है मगर कोन समझिए इसको, ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा हाइट है, इजंट इट, दिस इज माय हाइट, दिस इज माय क्या हो जाएगा, रेडियस, ये क्या है मेरा, कुछ भी ले लो, ये स्लैंट हाइट है, दिस इज हाइट, एंड दीज आर 2 पॉइंट्स, लेट्स से ए एंड बी पॉइंट्स हियर, ठीक है, दिस इज रेडियस, एंड बेटा मुझे पता है, देखो मुझे पता है दिस एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल क्या है, बॉटम ऑफ द सर्किल इज व्हाट, पाई आर स्क्वायर, ठीक है, हाँ, look at this now, if you just imagine, you just compare these two now, compare the cone and one second, the diagram, compare these two diagrams now, this is my O, this is my O, here L, this is L, this is point A, point B, compare these two, OA and OB, just compare, क्या है,
They both are radii.
both are slanted,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, see what is this arc is denotes here, circumference of what, what is the circumference, I mean circumference of circle, is it? Let us consider this as theta here, ठीक है, कुछ एंगल मान रहा है, ठीक है, circumference of circle क्या हो जाएगा, 2 pi r, ध्यान से सुनिए, everyone listen to me carefully, look at this, what is the length of the arc, what is the length of the arc, guys, how many of you know length of the arc formula,
Sir, divided by 360 into
length
2
of the
pi.
arc AB
2
is
pi.
equal, yes, उसका फॉर्मूला होता है थीटा इज इक्वल टू 360 into,
Sir, pi 2 or something like that. 2 pi.
what is the circumference of this circle, देखो, this is my center,
2 pi r.
हाँ देखो, this is my center, right, if I make a circle with that center, if I make a circle with that center, guys I'm making a circle here with O center, वो मेरा center है, ठीक है, if I make a circle like this, sorry इसको ऐसा, if I make a circle like this, if I make a circle like that, into 2 pi r, इधर 2 pi r होता है कि what is that, 2 pi r या 2 pi l है, बना बताओ मुझे,
2 pi l here.
L, very good, why, because radius is L here as you told, ठीक है, ठीक है, हाँ बताओ, देखो अभी, दिस इज, ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क क्या होता है, 2 pi r, see what is the length of the arc of AB is what here, what is the length of the arc AB, 2 pi r है ना, इसका लेंथ क्या है बेटा, 2 pi r तो है, 2 pi r is equal, that also can be written 2 pi r into 2 pi l, ठीक है, हाँ देखो, I'm just cancelling, I'm cancelling what, 2 pi outs both, what is my r now, theta by, see curved surface area is what now, देखो ध्यान से सुनिए, yes, r is equal, radius is equal, I got this one, ठीक है. What is the curved surface area? Curved surface area of the cone is going to be what? These are theta by 360 into L. I'm just deriving this. Okay. With what is this? With OA and OB is the radius. ठीक है. OA and OB is the radius. What is it? With OA, OB radius.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in curved surface area, we don't include the top and bottom part, right?
Yes, we don't. Curved means we just will be talking about only curve. देखो ये this वाला till down.
So then why are we including
No.
circle?
Look at that is curve, right? Curve whose top bottom नहीं. Curved surface is nothing but curve. जो भी curve है ఏదైతే curve shape లో ఉంటుందో అది
Okay,
include
okay.
చేస్తాం. Bottom
Okay,
curve
sir.
shape లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి include చేస్తాం అది కూడా. అర్థమైందా?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes. हाँ. जो bottom curve है ना उसको भी include करते हैं. देखो. See, this is my radius. Curved surface. See, curved surface area is nothing but sector 3 theta by 360 into multiplied by pi r square. Area of the circle, isn't it? What is where r is equal to what? L, isn't it? देखो आपको radius देखो इधर L है, ठीक है? हाँ. Now, if I take the OA and OB as a radius, pi L square, ठीक है? What is L is? L is the radius. This also can be written as what? This also can be written as, if you just talk about this, guys, this also can be written as theta by 360 into pi, theta by 360 into L. Can I write? Yes or no? बताओ मुझे. Hello. Look at this, pi L.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
what I have done, pi r square, pi L square, I just split it into pi L and into L. So why we are splitting like that? Just
So
look at
taking common, right? That's why.
look at this. Just now I found this part as my R. Look at this here. Yes or no? This is my star
Yes, sir.
equation. So from the star equation, I would write this. From the star equation, I would write this pi R L. ठीक है? What is it? Guys, look at this. What we have done. This is my curved surface area of the cone. See, let us try to understand here what we have done first. What I have done first, I just found the length of the arc. The length of the arc by using a formula theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. ठीक है? Length of the arc is what? Length of the arc AB is what? Which is nothing but circumference of the circle. I just equated both the things, so I got radius from that. So what I am doing here, curved surface area is what now? That theta by 360 into that area of the circle with the radius L. Pi r square can be written as pi L square. So pi L square, how I divided? I just split it into pi L and L, which is nothing but this gives me what? R radius. This part gives me R. So pi r as it is, I just wrote pi RL. ठीक है? Pi RL. So curved surface area of the cone क्या होता है? Pi RL. How did I found a CSA? How did I found a curved surface area of the cone here? By using a sector formula. Yes or no? हाँ. ठीक है?
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, I did not understand why you replaced R with theta by 360 into L, sir.
Where?
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Sir, you have written pi L into theta by 360 into L, right?
Yeah.
Why did you put R there, sir, in the second part? After
This one here.
no, sir, down.
Sir, how is R is equal to theta by 360 into L, sir? That is the thing.
Yes, sir.
అదే కదా ఇక్కడ look at this. इधर देखिए मैंने क्या कहा था, ये फॉर्मूला है by using what? Sector formula. This is my length of the sector. Look at theta by 360 formula into circumference of the circle. Guys, you will be this part you will be learning briefly in class 12. I mean class 11 again. I think 1 second. I think someone is in waiting room. Devasri is in waiting room, is calling me. Okay, chalo. Yes. See, don't memorize here. What I'm doing here, I'm just using a formula called theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. And length of the arc is what? What is the length of the arc? Oh, wait a minute. Length of the arc is what? ఈ length of the arc ఏంటి అంటే circumference of the circle. అదే కదా? Circumference of the circle, I know that 2 pi r is equal to this formula as it is. I'm replacing here. 2 pi got cancelled. I remain with radius is equal to theta by 360 into L. ठीक है? Yes or no? You will be having a formula. You will be having this formula in class 10, theta by 360. Okay. Look at
No,
it.
but then how is 2 pi r equal to the length of the arc? Okay, so if okay, understood, sir.
No.
Since
Length
it's
of
by
the arc क्या
360,
होता है?
it's the whole thing.
No,
Yes,
length
sir,
of the arc is what? 2 pi r only, right? That is curve shape. वो जो circle जैसा दिख रहा है वो क्या है? हमारा circumference of the circle ही तो है. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
हाँ, ये
So
मेरा
the
बेटा.
whole thing is theta by 360.
हाँ, इधर लिखो दे. Why I'm writing L here? Since the radius is what? Since the radius is what?
L.
देखो बेटा. Since the radius is what, इधर L है. Radius L है, तो radius में मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? In place of radius, I'm replacing with L here. Since the radius is L here, isn't it? Radius,
Yes, sir.
I'm replacing with L. Since both the things are same here. देखो, guys, this is also 2 pi r only, but r I'm replacing with a L. Since I'm writing with respect to theta. मैंने थीटा के हिसाब से लिख रहा हूँ.
Yes,
तो मैंने r को क्या रिप्लेस करना चाहिए मुझे? L रिप्लेस करना चाहिए. Since OA is a radius of that particular, if I make, देखो बेटा, इसको सर्किल मानिए आपने. इसको सर्किल, if you consider as a circle, what is OA here? What is OA here? L is equal to r. Yes or no? R is equal to L. I'm replacing there. Yes or no? I'm just
Yes.
equating with this thing. Yes, that's how you got that. Theta by 360 formula you'll be again getting in class 10. Need not to worry much. आपको guys, guys, look at this here. Now you tell me, curved surface area we found, beta. Curved surface area we just found. Now total surface area क्या होता है?
Sir, pi RL plus pi R square.
See, I just multiplied 300 theta by 360, which pi r square, which is nothing but pi L square. Yes, Ananya, please go ahead.
Sir, I was saying we just need to add pi R square, sir.
Yes, now TSA, total. I just found sector of a circle. ఎందుకు ఈ sector of a circle యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామంటే it just looks like sector. ఇది sector కదా, circle లో మా circle లో ఈ part అంటే this is my sector, isn't it? Guys, everyone try to understand here. Circle లో this part is called as what? This is sector of a circle, isn't it? We need to find out that what is the area of that particular part. That is what I'm finding. This is what sector here. Sector का formula होता है theta by 360. That you will get in class 10. Don't worry. ठीक है? See,
Yes,
why
sir.
we are using that? Why we are using that? To eliminate the theta. Why we are using that? मुझे बेटा मैंने look at this here. Why I'm using that? To eliminate the theta. Theta is an angle. बेटा theta क्या होता है इधर? देखो, this a line. बीच में जो angle होता है ना, that is I'm denoting with the theta here. So that is how I just wrote a theta here. One minute, guys. Look at this here, theta. This is what I wrote here. Now, for avoiding the theta, this theta, I'm just splitting pi L square in terms of pi L into theta by 360 into L. So this I could replace as radius. I got R is equal to theta by 360 into L, which I considered as a star equation. I just substituted, I got that. ठीक है? Now total surface area क्या होता है मुझे बताओ? Total surface area, simple. You must tell now. Curved surface area को क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? Area of the base.
The pi r square.
Area of the base. ठीक है? As you told that, yes, pi r square. देखो, pi r L What is the base area of the base? Sujay, you asked it, right? What is the area of the base? Base, how it is looks like? Circle.
Sir, base I know, sir.
Pi r square. So what can I take common here? Pi r L plus r, isn't it? Isn't it? If I take pi r common, L plus r, this is my TSA. This is my TSA, isn't it? ठीक है, ठीक है. आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, ये देखो, मैंने फिर से बताऊंगा. Guys, understanding very important. ठीक है, इसको guys, no one should remember anything here. Everyone, anyone presented over here, no one should remember anything here. Please imagine what's happening. देखो, मैंने फिर से बताता हूँ in another way. ठीक है? Everyone, please listen to me carefully.
Sir, can you explain the CSA once again? I didn't understand.
No problem. देखो, if you don't understand, देखो, अरे यार क्या पेन नहीं लिख रहा है मेरा. हाँ, ये देखो बेटा. ठीक है, मेरा ये क्या है बेटा? ये जो है ना नीचे वाला नीचे इज व्हाट? माय प्लेन सरफेस. ठीक है, प्लेन सरफेस है. 1 सेकंड. यस, अभी देखो, ये नीचे वाला पार्ट है ना. हाँ, सर्कुलर बेस. दिस सर्कुलर बेस इज व्हाट? One second, guys. 1 second, children. Just a minute. Yes. See here, this is a plane surface area. मेरा ये जो है ना, ये कर्व है, कर्व surface area. ठीक है, ये जो green color part, that is what we are going to find first. ठीक है, and as you know that this is my radius, this is my height, as I told that. ठीक है, this is my height. ठीक है, now we'll talk. I just told that CSA, curved surface area, is equal to pi RL. How it becomes pi RL? देखो, 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 ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये है ना, ध्यान से एवरीवन देखो, मैंने बताया था आपको क्या होगा. ये कोन होता है ना, ये कोन है ना, ये कोन को मैंने क्या कर दिया? देखो एवरीवन, देखो मैंने ये ब्लैक कलर यूज करता हूँ, इसको मैंने क्या कर दिया? काट दिया ऐसा. ठीक है, आई जस्ट कट दैट. इफ आई कट दैट, व्हाट हैपेंस? If I cut that, what happens? It just convert. You will just get a sector. ठीक है, you will just get a sector kind of thing. ठीक है, this part you will get like this. ठीक है, if you open that, you will get this kind of shape. If you just try at home, if you don't get, you ask me. Definitely, you take a paper. ठीक है, you will get this shape actually. ठीक है, मैंने थोड़ा नारियल जैसा बना दिया उनको. देखो, कोई ना, समझ रहे ना? What is sector actually? Sector is what? A part of a circle, isn't it? Yes. देखो, देखो बेटा, ये जो मैं, ये क्या है? लाइन सेगमेंट है. देखा? Yes or no? I'm just trying to explain in another way. This में क्या होता है? ये लाइन सेगमेंट है. ध्यान से सुनिए, ये लाइन सेगमेंट है. हाँ, ये नीचे वाली क्या है? ये नीचे वाली क्या है? ठीक है, बेटा, ये एक मेरा लाइन सेगमेंट, ये, अरे एक मिनट. हाँ, ये pink line segment and this green line segment curved. What is the length of that? What would be the length of that? Just imagine. देखो, मैंने मेरा क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनिए. What would be that length of that pink color line segment as well as that curved line segment, green color वाली, क्या हो जाएगा? इन दोनों का लेंथ क्या होता है? दोनों का हाउ मच लेंथ वुड बी? देखो, देखो, ठीक है, ठीक है. दिस इज व्हाट माय स्लैंट हाइट. आई टोल्ड दिस इज माय स्लैंट हाइट. गाइस, इमेजिन, देखो, कुछ मत रिमेंबर, नो वन शुड रिमेंबर एनीथिंग हियर. ठीक है, दिस इज माय स्लैंट हाइट. ठीक है, दिस इज माय स्लैंट हाइट. ठीक है, उसको मैंने खोला था ऐसा, दिस इज आई एम जस्ट रिमेनिंग, ठीक है। नाउ दैट स्लैंट हाइट विल बिकम व्हाट, दिस एल, ये तो मेरा स्लैंट हाइट ही था, यस और नो, दिस इज माय स्लैंट हाइट, एनीवन ऑफ यू गाइस, दिस इज माय स्लैंट हाइट, यस और नो, बताइए, दिस इज माय स्लैंट
Slant height
हाइट।
meaning like which one, sir?
देखो,
Pink one.
हाँ, द पिंक, नॉट पिंक वन, हाँ पिंक वन भी स्लैंट है इनफैक्ट, देखिए ब्लू कलर वाला, देखो ब्लू कलर वाला,
Okay,
ये
sir.
स्लैंट है, ये इसके बराबर है ना, इसके बराबर,
Yes,
देखो,
sir.
हाँ, इतना समझ में आया, देखो ध्यान से सुनिए, व्हाट इज द बेस, ठीक है, दिस बेस देखो मेरा, ये स्लैंट हाइट क्या हो जाएगा, येलो हो जाएगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा, सरकमफ्रेंस 2 पाई आर, देखो ये 2 पाई आर किसके बराबर है, इसके बराबर ही तो है, यस सर नो, 2 पाई आर किसके बराबर है, इसके बराबर ही तो है ना गाइस, दिस 2 पाई आर विल बी इक्वल टू दिस वन, दिस लेंथ विल बी
Yes,
इक्वल टू
sir.
दिस वन, यस सर नो, इमेजिन, ध्यान से इमेजिन करो थोड़ा, आ रहा है समझ, कोई डाउट इधर, कोई डाउट इधर, यस, चलो, if you just cut it, you can just imagine that the bottom part will be equal to 2 pi r. Now, yes, let me just take this. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. ठीक है, हाँ, now what will be the length? Just imagine क्या हो जाएगा, देखो, this will be 2 pi r के बराबर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, दोनों 2 pi r के बराबर, ठीक है, that will be 2 pi r, है सर, हाँ,
Yes, sir.
look at this here, now just now I told that, now if I take, as I told that, this is what, this is my center बेटा, ओ, इसको मैंने थोड़ा, इसको डॉटेड लाइन से ऐसे मिला दूं तो क्या मिल जाएगा मुझे, आई एम जस्ट एबल टू फ्रेम ए सर्किल देयर विद द सेंटर ओ, विद द रेडियस एल, एंड विद दैट ग्रीन कलर कर्व्ड सरफेस, क्या बोलता है, ग्रीन कलर लाइन सेगमेंट विद 2 पाई आर, ठीक है, हाँ, ठीक है, देखो गाइस, दिस इज अ सेक्टर, इजंट इट, देखो मेरा ये ब्लैक कलर वाला जो है ना, ब्लैक कलर वाला, व्हाट इज दिस सेक्टर, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्किल, इजंट इट, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सर्किल, इजंट इट, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ
Yes,
सर्किल,
sir.
दिस इज अ सर्किल विद अ रेडियस एल, ठीक है, हाँ, हाँ, व्हाट इज द रेड, व्हाट इज द एरिया, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दैट सर्किल, बताओ मुझे, एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्किल क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ दिस डॉटेड सर्किल क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ द डॉटेड सर्किल मुझे बताइए, विद द रेडियस एल, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द रेडियस, व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल, अरे भाई पाई एल
Pi
स्क्वायर,
L square. Yes,
रेडियस
sir.
मेरा क्या है, एल है, तो क्या बन जाएगा, पाई आर
Pi
स्क्वायर
L
की जगह में
square.
पाई एल
Pi
स्क्वायर
L
बन जाएगा,
square.
ठीक है, ध्यान से, वी आर गोइंग वेरी स्लो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, हाँ, एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर क्या हो जाएगा बताओ, एरिया, वो एरिया ऑफ द ब्लैक, वो जो डॉटेड लाइंस है ना, आई मीन द शेडेड पार्ट, एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर, गाइस इन लाइफ यू शुड नॉट, इन नो वन शुड फॉरगेट एनीथिंग हियर, आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग याद होना चाहिए, देखो मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, क्या क्या इमेजिन कर रहा है, क्या क्या चल रहा है, ठीक है, एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर क्या हो जाएगा बताओ मुझे, ठीक है, एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल, एरिया ऑफ द
Pi
सर्किल,
360.
guys look at this here, imagine what I'm trying to say here is, area of the circle into, this sector is there, right, how many times of that circle, you understand here, you will get in 10th, but I'm teaching you in advance somewhat, this sector is there, beta, ये sector है ना, how many times of the circle, how many times of the circle बताओ, into कितना times, how many times है, is it half times of circle, is it 2/3 of the circle, is it quarter of the circle, क्या डबल है, डबल तो ऑफ कोर्स नहीं है, हाँ
So
बताओ,
theta by 360.
Theta by 360.
देखो इनटू, मैं थोड़ा आपको इसको मैंने क्या करूंगा, थोड़ा इधर या इसको इधर रख दूंगा, एक मिनट गाइस, सो दैट यू विल नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज, थोड़ा आपको एक जगह एकदम, ठीक है, एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल into how many times of the circle is this sector. ठीक है, someone is waiting here. Guys, now calculate this. Imagine here. Yes, children. Yes, I have got held up with something. Yes. Now देखो, ये area of the circle into how many times of this circle is a sector? बताओ मुझे. ये सर्किल का वो सेक्टर कितना टाइम्स है मैंने देखा आ सेक्टर అనేది సర్కిల్ లో ఎంత పార్ట్ how much part of that sector is how much part is that sector out of that circle बताओ
So whatever is the angle by 360, right? Like
yes
360 is the whole.
you are right. Yes, exactly total full circle means 360 degrees. Semicircle means 180 degrees. तो थीटा बाई थीटा में जो भी है आउट ऑफ 360 जो भी थीटा है yes or no which is
Yes, sir.
but area of the circle क्या है pi. Guys, you was asking multiple times, that is the reason I'm just going for this, but understanding very important बेटा. आपको जो कुछ भी होने दो बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, ये पाई एल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा इनटू हाउ मेनी टाइम्स लेट अस कंसीडर दिस एज थीटा. देखो मैंने ये बता, इधर ये थीटा है ना, ये थीटा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देखो दिस सर्किल सरकमफ्लेक्स 2 पाई एल. ठीक है, हाँ into guys here what is the circumference of the circle 2 pi l. Tell me how many times see except theta by 360, apart from that how can you just explain in another way? Theta by Piyush should write theta by 360. yes just for a minute, just keep it aside. How come you say that? How many times of that? Imagine, just थोड़ा imagine करो क्या हो जाएगा. देखो थोड़ा imagine करो.
So whatever is remaining of the circle,
Okay.
whole minus whatever is remaining. So like if whole is in 360, right? So 360 minus whatever is remaining.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? Is
Yes,
it
now we
breaking?
can hear.
So your voice was breaking.
Guys, look at this here. This 2 pi r है ना? This 2 pi. Now can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you now.
We can.
हाँ. Theta by 360 was saying. हाँ. Now theta by 360 तो हमको मिल जाएगा like it goes the calculation as like as the how we solved it previously. The calculation as like as the previously which we have solved. ठीक है? ठीक है, ये 2 pi l है ना, ये 2 pi l है ना, तो सर्किल क्या हो जाएगा? अगर 2 pi l आधा है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 pi l का आधा होगा. देखो
Sir, Payal.
yes guys, look at this. How much it will be 2 pi, let's say the 2 pi l, how much 2 pi l, and this will be how whatever the 2 pi l is there, that will be what this this in full 2 pi r, this this shaded part is there, right? If I make a full revolution, क्या बोलते हैं revolution, that will be 316 में ये जितना भी एंगल मेक कर रहा है, जितना भी एंगल मेक कर रहा है, दिस थीटा आउट ऑफ हाउ मच, आउट ऑफ फुल कितना 360, दैट्स हाउ आई रोट देयर, दैट्स हाउ आई रोट देयर। हाँ, नाउ इफ यू जस्ट इमेजिन दैट, देखो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं मैंने, देखो कैन आई राइट 2 pi r डिवाइडेड बाय 2 pi l, यस और नो, यस और नो बेटा,
Yes, sir.
बेटा कैन आई राइट, आपको ध्यान से समझिए इधर मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, ये फुल सर्किल 2 pi l है, isn't it? हाँ, आउट ऑफ विच हाउ मच इज दिस 2 pi r, कैन आई राइट लाइक दैट? बेटा आपको समझ में आया इधर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो देखो इधर से 2 pi कट गया इधर, दिस विल गेट कैंसिल, व्हाट यू रिमेन विद नाउ, पाई r, ठीक है ये बचा। दिस इज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ प्रूफ एक्चुअली, आपको समझ में आया बेटा क्या हो जाए, क्या हुआ इधर?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
that particular how many times out of 2 pi l, that is a 2 pi r times, that is 2 pi r terms. ఈ చిన్నది ఉంది కదా, ఈ చిన్నది పెద్ద దాంట్లో ఎంత, పెద్దది 2 pi l ఉంది, ఆ పెద్ద దాంట్లో చిన్నది 2 pi r, అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అమ్మా, look at this here everyone, if you are writing exam for 10 marks, how do you write your marks? Okay, 3 out of 10, అంటే 10 లో 3 వచ్చాయి, out of 10 you got 3, so out of 2 pi l I got 2 pi r here, that's how I'm writing. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ, that's how I wrote, ठीक है, this is how you can just write, and if you just, this is the curved surface area, total surface area क्या होता है, this plus, okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, चलो we'll solve the problems now, we'll solve the problems, हमने problem solve करेंगे। Guys, I'll give a simple problem here, and इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होता है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes,
going
sir,
to be 1/3 of pi r square h।
Sir,
Your voice is breaking.
ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा यार।
And now it's clear, sir.
I was speaking actually, can you hear me?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
now it's
So
clear.
now it is clear. Previously it was breaking.
Okay। देखो 1/3 of pi r square h, ठीक है गाइस। सिमिलरली लुक एट दिस, को 1/3 ऑफ क्या होता है, ये वॉल्यूम है ना, वॉल्यूम इज नथिंग बट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। यू से दिस इज माय क्यूबिक यूनिट्स, इसको मैंने लिखता हूँ क्यूबिक यूनिट्स, ठीक है। हाँ, व्हाट इज आर देयर, रेडियस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर कोन, एल इज व्हाट, आई मीन आर इज व्हाट, रेडियस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर कोन, हाइट h इज व्हाट, हाइट ऑफ द कोन, ठीक है। Now we'll solve a problem here. I'll give a simple question. Guys, calculate the volume, or else you write like this. If the height of given cone is, height of the cone is 7 centimeters, diameter of circular base is 6 centimeters, then volume क्या होता है, then what is the volume, बताओ जल्दी से। इसमें कुछ नहीं है, देखो आई सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन, देन यू सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग वन। हाइट क्या दिया है, हाइट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट हियर, h,
So 66 centimeter cube.
very good beta, height is what, 7, and diameter how much, diameter is nothing but 2 times of r, 6, r क्या हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएगा। guys, diameter he has given 6 centimeters, then r is what, 3, height is what, 7, so what is volume here, 1/3 pi r square h, volume is equal to 1/3 into 22/7, r is 3 into 7, ये गया 3 गया, तो 22 3 times कितना हो जाएगा, 66। just now I told volume is what, 66 cubic centimeter. ठीक है, centimeter cube, or else simply write centimeter cube. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any doubt? Very simply.
Yes,
Yeah. Guys, now we'll
Yes,
solve
sir.
we'll solve the questions based on slant height. Or a question. Let me give a question here. Find the surface area right circular cone if the given radius is 6 centimeters and slant height is 10 centimeter. जल्दी से बताओ, 30 seconds time. Radius 6, slant height 10. Is asking for what? Surface area. Guys, I'm asking surface area, which is nothing but what? Hello, I'm asking surface area is nothing but what?
R plus L.
Huh? R plus L.
R plus L, sir.
IRL.
IL square, sir.
Which is nothing but total surface. You need to consider SCI is nothing but total surface area. If he's especially if mentioning curved surface area, then you take pi RL. SCI is nothing but you need to consider total surface area only. ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा total surface area? Pi R into R plus L.
into R plus L.
Shreyan
Sir,
Babu,
R plus L.
ఇంతసేపు పడుకున్నావా తంబి?
Nothing, sir.
ఇంతసేపు పడుకున్నావా?
R plus L, sir. Sir, I told, sir, I mistake. By mistake, I told, sir. I thought surface. Your surface. Yes.
No. You was not responding. Meanwhile, now you are suddenly responding. I'm asking, did you sleep? You are sleeping or what? देखो बेटा, ये कितना हो जाएगा? कैलकुलेट करो. 26. So 22 into 6 into 7. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 7 1 7 3 3.14, right? So 3.14. So 3.14 into 16 6 96. So how much?
Sir,
Almost
301.
301.
Yes, sir.
Oi,
So when we need to use
301.7 something.
96
Sir, I
into.
did not calculate decimal.
Sir, I was doing on pen and paper.
Okay. हाँ, whatever you just इसको 300 में कितना मिला था आपको?
The 301.7.
So you can take it as 302.
Yeah, you can just take 302. You can take it as, but you write better. You write inaccurately.
so like when we have to use 22/7 and 3.14, so we can use anything.
Anything. ఇక్కడ 22/7 నే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే 3.14 వస్తుంది హరిని.
Yes, sir. But like direct,
Yes.
we can write
Yes. Look at it.
3.4.
Look at this.
So like 3.1 by.
Depends. Look, మీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎలా ఈజీ అవుతే అలా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నాకు 22/7 ఉందమ్మా, ఇక్కడ R² ఉంది సంథింగ్, R వాల్యూ రేడియస్ 7 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. లైక్ ఫర్ సపోజ్ if I have 7 into 7 something, okay, then I can write 22/7 only, need not to write 3.14. If I write 22/7, my calculation will become easy, right? Yes or no? In case if anything, ఇప్పుడు 22/7 ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను, ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 7 ఉందనుకో 22/7 రాయి. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
In circle, if you have anything multiple of 7, then you write 22/7 only, need not to write decimal, need not to write 22, so 3.14. Getting my point? So that your calculation will become easy. Ala raskoవాలి. అర్థమైందా? Depends how the question is demanding. Just think in that way. Okay? So yes, this is what now. Yes, someone is calling me. Someone is calling me. Who is it? Yeah. Yes. Guys, now no, I'm just giving you an example, just example how can we calculate it. Okay, no, you have more questions. It does not mean that we are not solving many questions. Once we're done with all this concept, we have to just go back again to the questions. These are not enough. Whatever the questions we are solving, this is not at all enough. हमने थोड़ा फॉर्मूला में जो भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं, that is what we are solving here. But there will be so many beautiful questions actually. So just find it out from the worksheet, solve simultaneously. Guys, how many of you started solving the questions? Cone. First you solve, देखो, find the problems related to cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone. So guys, these 4 solid shape problems, whatever these 4 solid shape, next we'll be talking about sphere, hemisphere and all in next class. But so you just find the problems related to these 4 solid shapes and solve and just submit in the Google Classroom as a PDF. Okay? How many of you started solving the problems, guys?
Sir, I am done with 2, sir. I just started before.
Acha, you done with the 2 solid shape problems?
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Yes, I just check the question number, sir.
No
1 minute.
problem. No. I'm not asking question numbers. I'm just asking you this one, like cuboid and cube you done, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like tomorrow, once we're done with tomorrow, this what do you call that? Hemisphere and sphere. Then we'll just have a quiz here. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have a quiz. All right. Tomorrow we'll just find it up. We'll just wind it up very fast and just we'll have a quiz on surface area and volumes. Then you can just go for the questions. Okay. Shall we go for the quiz tomorrow? Guys, shall we go for the quiz tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
So for having quiz, for getting good marks in the quiz, everyone please find out your, like, simultaneously, I don't want to repeat the same thing. Simultaneously, please solving your NCERT problems as well. So NCERT problems really gives you base actually. So I'm not solving NCERT here. I'm solving like, some different problems. So yes, I'm not taking anything from NCERT. So NCERT is up to you. You need to solve. If you have any doubt from the NCERT, then you just come up with that. Okay. So NCERT, everyone should solve. NCERT will give you more base actually. ठीक है, NCERT you should not leave. NCERT will give you base. So NCERT को ध्यान से solve कीजिए and मेरा worksheet भी solve कीजिए. मैंने जो भी क्लास में जो भी प्रॉब्लम देता हूँ उसको भी solve कीजिए. ठीक है, each and everything you need to solve. बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? कल हमने क्विज लिखने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, tomorrow we are going to write a quiz. So everyone revise your formulas and come up with that. ठीक है, चलो.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ananya,
Thank you,
you
sir.
understood, right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Ananya ji. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. Goodbye. Thank you. Jivika, what about you?
Sir, understood.
So tomorrow थोड़ा रिवाइज करके आना चाहिए. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Sai Ramachandra, what about you?
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you. Shreya, and you too. Bye.